What's up, mi gente? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my black rice moro with black beans. This is all you're going to need for today's recipe. Let's get to it. First, we're going to start filling up our pot with some water, putting it on the stove so that it can boil, add some chicken bouillon, and add some oil. Some garlic powder. So now I'm going to be adding my black rice. I'm going to be filling it up about a quarter way, and then my pot is 1/2 filled with water. We're going to be adding our black beans now. I always get the bottom, fill it up with some water, and pour the rest in there. Give it a good stir. Now for some sage, followed by some sazon completo. We're gonna give it a good stir and cover it up for 30 minutes. Now we'll move on to prepare for our ground beef, our picadillo. We're gonna start by dicing up some onions, dicing up some tomatoes, and then putting some butter on a hot pan. Once that butter is nice and melted up, we are going to be adding on that diced onions and the tomatoes. Let them simmer for a bit. Now let's add our ground beef into our pan along with our tomatoes and onion, and add some sazon completo. And of course, some garlic powder. Next, we're going to be adding some garlic pepper. Now that our meat's nice and cooked, we're going to be adding some paprika for color. And let's check on that moro. Look at that, it looks absolutely amazing with our picadillo. And trust, this tastes absolutely amazing. What a great combination. If you guys like this, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.